All right, 140 miles in the rain, not the rain, sorry. Today, just driving to and from work and sitting outside at work. And there is still no dust. And that's from a semi-truck who decided to chunk a rock at me. So yeah, that was nice. Nice clean car and boom, rock chip. So yeah, this is the Graphene graphene and ceramic, which I have, for the glass. As you can see, the glass is really clean still. I mean, there's a little bit of dust, but I think that's from the inside. And then the paint, however, is this. And this is after bonding for 24 hours. And it's still very reflective. It's still very shiny. It has a nice wet look to it in the daylight. It also has like a, I want to say like a satin silhouette to it when it's sitting under street lights and stuff. So, I mean, it looks really, really nice. Tires. So, this was what I used. The Blackmagic Intense Graphene Tire Shine. And all I did for this was I put it on an applicator pad and then rubbed it in. I did spray a little bit on the tires, but for some odd reason, when you spray this thing, it's a stream. It's not an actual like fanned out spray pattern. So that kind of bothers me a little bit. But when you put it on an applicator pad, like this guy over here, this pad, it is very absorbent, and it works really well. It has grooves and stuff inside of it, which is kind of hard to see unless you have shadow over it. But it's yeah, it is a really cool pad. So I would recommend that you wring it out. And I think I got this at O'Reilly's. I may still use that eventually, but right now I'm gonna hold that off. So there you guys go. Oh, and I put some of that graphene stuff, the tire shine, on here just to test it, because that's unpainted and whatnot. So, and you can see where I kind of missed some spots, but my tire was facing a different way then. So I'll fix it later. And I even put the that Cerami-x spray wax on the rims, and that's even holding up rather well. I mean, it's not dusty, it's not, there's no brake dust, which is really nice. Let's check the front, because those get used a lot. Yeah, look at that, nothing. Slight bit of brake dust, but it came right off. So there you guys go. I do recommend it. Blackmagic really stepped up their game on this. We'll see tomorrow about the tires and the paint on hydrophobic properties, because we're supposed to be getting rain. So I will update you guys then. Take care. graphene spray wax and Cerami-x glass cleaner held up pretty well. And the car has no water beads on it. And I just drove 70 miles. I mean, the back does. But yeah, there you go.